Hey, I want to do a quick video for those others out there that are suffering through either hand issues, arm issues, neck issues, lower back issues, whatever, and you're riding motorcycles and you'd like to keep riding longer than you might otherwise. I've come up with some solutions that are helping with me and wanted to give you a real quick overview of those. So I'm going to use an example here, my Beta 350 2013, some things that I've put on that. It's a dirt bike, and it's something that has got a bunch of little add-ons that I think should help. So first example is going to be my left hand gets tired and love to have a nice smooth light clutch. And so I have a Clake One Light clutch on it. I've also 3D printed a design that I came up with two fingers instead of one. I find that I've got an issue with my arthritic left index finger, and so I've got two fingers on here instead of one. And it's a very, very light clutch pull, and it is fantastic for clutch control all over, but especially in climbs. And man, I'll tell you, that is the best. I don't know, they're probably about $500 or more now, plus shipping from Australia. But it is the best thing that I've added to any motorcycle. So highly recommend that. And if you want the tip here, the two finger tip, I'll include a link of the design and things that you can 3D print out of ASA. And so far, this is working out really well for me. Another thing that I've done is I have recently put on a Mako 360 anti-vibe mount for the handlebar. And I find this to be really, really nice. I've got the softer rubbers in them. This is another, I don't know, $500 or $600. So this stuff is not cheap, but you know, it's keeping me riding. And the vibration dampeners, the little elastomers in here that wrap around the bars. And then there's another one on here that keeps it from rotating forward and backwards when it's dampening the vibrations. That has helped a lot. And then you'll also see that I have a Scott's steering stabilizer, which helps to reduce the amount of effort that I have to spend with my arms while I am climbing and running kind of fast. So there's less effort that I need in order to maintain straightness, and I have to give it a little bit more effort in order to pull it off of straight, but this is turning out to be a really nice combo between the two. Another one that I have done is I have the Stegs pegs, and what those do is they allow me to lock my boot in right behind, sorry for the white ugly leg here, but that allows my boot to push right up against this puck so that when I am in climbs, I can grip the bike and also have some resistance from behind the boot that holds my rest of my body straight so that I can spend less effort than on the handlebars holding me up against those inclines. And then when I am going downhill, I just remove my legs and I can slide behind it and I can let the bike move forward. Oh, I almost forgot to mention the Seat Concept seat. It's the comfort version that fits on my 2013 Beta 350. That is really helpful to have just for general comfort out and about in the woods. Carry on. Those are the main things that have really been helping me a lot. So I wanted to share that with you in case you have those kinds of issues. If you have followed me, you know that I do have 4 discs replaced in my neck and a couple in my lower back. And so anything that I can do to keep riding is something that is valuable to me. And I've also gotten a bit more, I don't know if it's neuropathy, a combination of that and arthritis that are in my hands and arms that this really helps with. So hopefully that's helpful to you to put on either a dirt bike or on a street bike. I did put a Scott's on my KTM 790 recently that I think will help, and also have lowered foot pegs that helps with my body position on that. So these are some various things that you can do to help. So hopefully that does help you. Have a great day.